Good morning, this is Michael with Terry Henricks out here on this beautiful sunny morning, doing a quick tutorial on how to install your roof rack mounts on your new Pacifica. We've got one actually already installed right here. I went ahead and took the liberty to start installing, and then I'll show you how to install the second one here. Now Andy here is helping me record. Andy, if you don't mind focusing more on the end of the post here, there are letters that are specific for the location of each mounted piece. So they are actually in the grooves on the rack here when you first start out. And all you have to do is unscrew the tabs on the end and pull them out. Then the ends will actually angle in, and each location that they should be mounted in is indicated specifically with the letter. In this case on my end is the letter B. Then all you have to do is just screw it right back in. Now we're going to come over here on this side and I'll show you one that is not installed. As you can see, this will lay flat, but then the end will pivot. Now be careful. If you're not careful on this side, you can potentially pitch your hand, which I have this morning already on that. So just as a user error, avoid that. But on the inside, Andy, if you don't mind looking on that end, you can see that there is a screw on the underside of that, and it will actually go right into that post mount spot. And all you have to do is screw it down. Make sure you indicate or see the letters indicated and screw them into the appropriate spots. But after you get those tightened down, hand tight, you don't necessarily have to torque them down really hard. This one is pretty well anchored in there, and all I did was hand tighten it down. Other than that, that's really all it takes in order to install the roof rack under Pacifica. Thanks a bunch.